Welcome aboard and congratulations on choosing NFC Touch. We're thrilled to have you join our community of Smart Business Card. Our goal is to help you impress your clients and make meaningful connections without any awkward moments. Before you start using your Smart Business Card, we want to give you a quick presentation that will ensure you get the most out of your card. We understand that not everyone is as familiar with NFC technology as you are, but that's okay. With our solution, you're ahead of the game. Our video will show you how to handle any situation with ease and grace. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the exciting possibilities that await with your touchless card. Before we begin, this is the list of content of our today's tutorial. So, let me tell you how we can use NFC. Firstly, we need to make sure that the person you want to share your info with is ready to scan your card. If you have an iPhone XS or above, you're good to go. Just unlock your phone and it's ready to scan. But if you have an iPhone X or below, or an Android device, you need to turn on the NFC tag reader function. To do that, just swipe down from the top of your screen and look for the little NFC icon. If you can't find it, iPhone users gotta go to Settings Control Center and Android users gotta search for NFC in Settings. Okay, you've enabled NFC on your smartphone. Now, let's find out where the NFC reading area is located. For iPhones, it's at the top near the camera. But remember, you gotta have internet connection to exchange contact. For Android, most have it at the top too, but some have it in the middle at the back. Just look for a light to help you find it. That's it. If you're trying to use your NFC-enabled card, but there's no flashing light, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's try a few things to get that connection going. Firstly, let's check if NFC is turned on. It's an easy fix if it's not. Next, make sure you're placing your card near the NFC smartphone antennas area. For iPhones, it's at the top. And for Androids, try the top, middle, or bottom of the back of the phone. Double check that your phone has data or internet access. If not, you'll see a message saying not connected to the network when you open the browser. No worries. Just connect to Wi-Fi or enable data for a quick fix. Keep in mind that metal and your hand can interfere with the NFC connection. So avoid tapping your card on a metal surface and watch out for metal phone cases that might weaken connectivity. Let me show you how to use this cool thing in real life. If you have an iPhone, just hold the card close to the top of your phone where the camera is. You'll see a light flash on the card. Then, click on the notification that pops up and the contact info will show up on your screen. Just swipe down and click Create New Contact. Then hit Done. Boom, there it is. Check your Contacts app to see if it worked. So if you're an Android user, here's what you do. First, you gotta bring the card close to your phone and see if the prompt light comes on. If it does, that means you can download the contact info in a VCF file. Then you open the file and pick the account where you want to save the contact. After that, you just import the contact and check if it's in your communication directory. Keep in mind that different Android phones might have different steps, but this is just one example. Anyway, hope this helps. And hey, did you know that our solution allows you to share your contact info with a QR code? It's perfect for those mobile phones that don't have an NFC function. Just make sure the person you're sharing with has a QR code scanning function on their phone, or they might need to download an app for it. Want to know how to get your QR code ready on your phone? It's easy. First, save your e-profile as a shortcut. For iPhone users, click the Share button, and for Android users, click on More and then hit on the Add to Home screen tab. Then, when you need to share your QR code, just click on the shortcut. If you need to save your e-profile QR code, it's pretty easy. Just go to your e-profile page and click on the Get in Touch tab on the left side of the menu bar. It's the third one down. Then, use the screenshot function to save the QR code as an image. You can keep it in your photo album as a backup in case you lose your NFC smart cards. This works for both Android and iPhone. Lastly, here we have 5 tips to help you thrive and have a seamless exchanging contact experience. First things, don't get caught without your business cards. Imagine saying I forgot them at the office when a client asks for a business card. That would be a total failure. What other excuse would you have? You only have one card to carry, and we'd suggest you just keep it in your wallet or your usual business card holder. In addition, we would recommend you to save your e-profile into your phone so you will have a QR code as a backup even when you do not have your card with you. Next, you gotta keep your card in tip-top shape. It's a reflection of you and your company. Plus, if the antenna or chip inside gets damaged, the card might not work at all. Keep it in a business card holder and away from any moisture or heat to keep it pristine. Oh, and don't forget to pay attention to the light on the card. You'll need to see it flashing to make sure you're making a successful connection when you tap it on someone's phone. Last but not least, be natural when exchanging cards. Don't go shoving it in someone's face. That can come off as pushy. Instead, wait for a natural moment in the conversation and offer your digital card in a way that feels comfortable for both of you. Now, when you give someone your card, make sure to let them know what you're giving them. It might be a link to your social media, website, or some other info. Just explain why you're giving it to them so they don't get confused. And don't forget to invite them to reach out if they have any questions or want to learn more about your services. So there you have it. With our Smart Business Card, you can make networking a lot more relaxed and enjoyable. Thanks for listening, and have fun out there.